Hi, I'm Vancouver Realtor Jessi Johnson and welcome to the Hudson. Located at 610 Granville on the corner of Granville and Dunsmuir, we're literally in the core of downtown Vancouver in beautiful British Columbia. Only steps away from SkyTrains, buses, restaurants, and more importantly, shopping. With a 24-hour concierge, state-of-the-art gym facilities, this building you can't go wrong. All floors of the entire building have been completely redone. Brand new carpets, new paint, new baseboards. It looks amazing. Welcome to your new potential home. Inside the recently renovated condo, you'll notice there's 2 full bathrooms, 2 bedrooms that are separate apart, which is a very nice feature for your own privacy, as well as your own mini office, a den. The master bedroom has quite a large private bathroom. When you walk inside, you can see it's very spacious, great spot for art or a TV, as well as beautiful view up on the 18th floor of sunny Vancouver. Check out the beautiful brand new floors, in-suite laundry, another bathroom, full bathroom might I add, and check out the wide open kitchen and living room area. Enter the main living room. It's very wide, very open, very bright. Look at the view. There's a very nice flow as you come from the living room into the dining room. You and 3 guests can dine in natural light during the daytime and enjoy the view during the nighttime. With a well-run strata corporation, maintenance fees are very low in this building, which is a really nice feature. As well, it does have 1 parking spot, and that 1 parking spot is supersized. Join us Saturday, December 9th and Sunday, December 10th for an open house from 12 till 2. We are accepting offers Wednesday, December 13th, and I hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.